Baby, I'm a doubt. Baby, I'm a doubt.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Prion Joni, and I'm here in the city of New Orleans at NOLA Motorsports Park for Night Shift, brought to you by No Drift and Hot Import Nights. Today we have vehicles from all over the South competing in our several categories in our competition. We hand-selected 3 of those vehicles to get up close and personal with. Welcome to another episode of Model Report, brought to you by Valvoline and O'Reilly Auto Parts.
My name is Enrique Vera. Model is a 2003 Chevy Corvette. The story behind this car, my son inspired me to make it an Iron Man car because of the color. The paint is actually House of Colors. It's brandy wine. I got a T72 turbo, 1000cc injector, and a 1000 fuel pump. This kit was actually made in my friend's garage. It was all handmade. It took about 2 weeks to make. We actually molded from the actual body of the car, and that's what it came out.
Hey, I'm Matthew Zachariah. Friends call me Zach. This is my friend Frank Castro's 1996 Toyota Supra. Came out to HIN to represent the Anarchy group of New Orleans. We actually went ahead and got off the stock twins and ended up going to a single turbo Precision 6766. We actually have a Brian Crowder cam in there, as well as FID's 1300s. We wanted something that's very streetable, but enjoy to have. We don't need the 900 horsepower Supra, but we do want something that was really enjoyable on the street. The dyno right now is around 420. We have a little bit more to go with it, but right now we have a little bit of a clutch issue which we'll address, and then we'll be actually moving on from them.
Earlier today you were talking about how this car does have a sporty suspension, but it's comfortable. How did you guys do that?
I guess a lot of fine-tuning the suspension. I mean, we don't have the best of roads, kind of like you're saying with everywhere in the U.S., but we have unique roads. We kind of are on top of water and surrounded by water, and the roads almost change season to season, which is kind of ridiculous to sound like, but Frank did a great job with it. When the car was in the possession of our shop, when we were going through some of the stuff with tuning and just road testing and stuff like that, driving on potholes, pits, cruising, car is incredibly comfortable.
So what's this thing with Harley Quinn?
No comment.
Baby, I'm a doubt.
My name is David Getzinger. I'm Getzinger Garage out of Houma, Louisiana. It's a 1927 Ford Roadster pickup truck. It's an old school car that I wanted to put together. It started about 3 years ago. We custom built the chassis. It has a 406 Dart stroker motor in it, 560 horse. The bed was hand built. The body came from Polyform out of California. It's basically a car you would run on a circle track. It's old school. It's very comfortable to drive, actually. We took it around the track 3 times. Yeah. Scared my girlfriend. It was fun.